Welcome to Networks Professionals.
Welcome to the Explainer. So today we are prying open the lid on the mysterious, often totally opaque world of machine learning algorithms. How AI actually comes to its conclusions is arguably the defining challenge of modern tech right now. So our goal today is to decode explainable AI, or XAI, using the latest research to really understand how we can finally look under the hood. Let's get right into it. Picture this for a second. Would you actually trust a machine with your life if it literally couldn't explain its choices to you? I mean, it sounds like a sci-fi movie, right? But it is our current reality. Just imagine sitting in the back seat of a self-driving car as it hurtles down the highway, or receiving a massive, life-altering medical diagnosis from a healthcare AI. Now imagine that when you ask, wait, why did you make that decision? The system just stays completely silent. It gives you the answer, sure, but absolutely no working out. The real-world stakes here are just immense, and that lack of transparency, well, that's exactly what we need to solve. All right, let's jump right into Section 1, Inside the Black Box. So, traditional machine learning basically operates as this completely impenetrable black box. We feed it an enormous amount of data, that's our input, then the system churns through all of that data and spits out a prediction or a decision, and that's the output. But everything that happens in the middle, the actual reasoning, it remains completely hidden from us. The AI keeps its logic paths totally locked away. And for a data scientist, a doctor, or an engineer, that opaque process creates a massive, massive barrier to trust. You might get a highly accurate result, but without knowing the why behind it, you're essentially flying blind. Which brings us to Section 2, Demystifying Explainable AI. So, Explainable AI, or XAI, gives us the actual tools and techniques to understand the reasoning behind a model's output. Instead of a locked box, think of XAI as a super powerful flashlight shining directly into the dark. It breaks down incredibly complex algorithmic decisions into a human-interpretable rationale. It shows us the exact rules, the specific features, and the precise logic paths that led the system to a specific prediction. You're no longer just getting an answer. You are getting the math and the logic that actually proves that answer. And the contrast here is just night and day. On one side, traditional AI offers this blind, opaque output, essentially asking you for unquestioning faith. On the other side, XAI hands you the exact reasoning behind its output. It literally shows its work. It's kind of like the difference between a coworker saying, hey, just trust me, I know the answer, versus a coworker laying out a beautifully detailed spreadsheet showing exactly how they arrived at their conclusion. One requires blind faith, the other earns your trust through complete transparency. Moving right along to Section 3, Why XAI Changes Everything. There are 3 absolutely massive, game-changing benefits to implementing XAI. First up, it ensures accountability. Because XAI highlights exactly how an outcome was reached, developers can look under the hood and easily debug hidden biases or skewed data. Second, it fosters compliance. We're seeing some really strict regulatory standards emerging worldwide right now, like the EU's GDPR, for example, that increasingly demand transparency and algorithmic decision-making. XAI makes meeting those legal standards actually possible. And third, it drives confident adoption. It empowers professionals in high-stakes fields to safely rely on AI recommendations simply because they finally have the context they need to verify the machine's work. Let's look at Section 4, XAI in the real world. Let's bring this down to earth and consider the tangible impact of this tech across a few different fields. Take healthcare. Standard AI might diagnose an illness and just leave a doctor totally guessing. But the XAI difference, it highlights the exact biomarkers, medical images, or symptoms that cause the model to flag that health issue, which allows the doctor to actually verify the diagnosis. In finance, instead of just spitting out a blind loan denial, XAI generates a clear reason for the rejection, giving the customer an understandable explanation of exactly what they need to fix. And in autonomous vehicles, during a split-second maneuver where a car suddenly brakes, standard AI just executes the action. XAI, however, provides a trace route of exactly why the car chose to brake or accelerate. This ensures developers can verify safety protocols, which ultimately builds the passenger confidence we really need for this technology to thrive. And finally, Section 5, the future of trust. At the end of the day, implementing XAI is the essential foundation for building trust. When you dive into the overarching research, whether you're reading IBM's comprehensive overviews on XAI or digging into granular technical frameworks published on ResearchGate, the consensus is crystal clear. Safely relying on AI recommendations absolutely requires us to understand them. Transparency isn't just a nice-to-have feature anymore, it is definitely not a luxury. In a world that's increasingly run by algorithms, this level of interpretability is an absolute necessity.
Which brings us to a final, pretty crucial thought for today's explainer. I really want to challenge you to consider your own relationship with AI in whatever field you happen to work in. As you build the future, how will you use technical methods to ensure transparency? Are you going to explore technical feature attribution frameworks like SHAP or LIME for your specific projects? Think about the industry you are building for and ask yourself how bringing a flashlight to the black box could totally revolutionize the way you work. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for focusing in and learning with me. Keep asking those big questions, keep demanding transparency, and I will see you in the next explainer.
Thanks for watching.